Hello, my beautiful queens. If wigs got you in a headlock and won't let go, this is the channel for you. So make sure you subscribe and keep vibing with your girl. Now, this is a gorgeous 7x5 HD lace honey blonde body wave wig from ISEE Hair. If you haven't seen the wig install, the glueless wig install, check out my previous video. Now, I'm going to show you step by step how I styled this beautiful wig to look like, you know, like you saw in the beginning, girl. Now, ISEE Hair was very generous with their parting space. Did you see that? I could have did a half up, half down with this hair. If you want to see that, let me know. Now, I always protect my wigs like it's my own hair. So I use heat protectant, you know? It's your hair, girl. You bought it. It's yours. Protect that hair. Now, since I used the hairspray to hold the curls on my previous video, I decided to use my unbrush so I could brush it out without losing too much hair. That unbrush is what you should be using on your wigs, girl. It really does make a difference. Since I switched up the part, I decided to add some more face framing layers, you know, give it a little more oomph. Just a little bit. And then I am going to straighten this beauty. Look at this. Ooh. Now, stopping in between straightening is how you get that kink. So don't do that. Don't do that. Okay? I'm gonna smooth it out though. I'm gonna smooth it out. But yeah, don't stop so abruptly in between. You know, don't do that. Don't do what I just did. So all I'm gonna do is keep straightening the whole hair because I love me a good straight hairstyle. That's my go-to. Straight side part hairstyle with layers is my go-to, girl. What's yours? Let me know. Now, these highlights, I can't get over the highlights and the silkiness and softness of this wig. You might hear me say that too much in this video. I'm sorry if I do, but it's, I love it. It's always a vibe to straighten a body wave wig. I don't know, it's something about it because it has more body. So your straight hairstyle will have more body. I can't stop running my fingers through this hair. Look at me. Girl, stop. I can't. Had to do a dance and everything. Oh, Lord. The hair is so pretty. 20 inches of goodness. Okay, look at this. 180% density, which is pretty decent. I mean, it's natural looking. You don't need too much on your head. It's too hot. It's too hot. Now, girl, doing this right here is so satisfying. Look, flip. I love it. I know you loved it. You loved it. Since you loved it so much, I'm gonna give it to you one more again. Look at that. Look, flip. Yeah. That straight hairstyle, ooh, look at that lusciousness. So pretty, so vibrant, so oof. This hair is a vibe. Definitely a vibe, girl. I've linked her right in the description box just for you. ISEE Hair does not disappoint. They don't. They really don't. This right here is the frontal illusion. You know, when you tuck it behind your ear, add a little hair, you know, to give that frontal vibe. Fool them ladies, fool them people. Why not? Okay, have some fun with it. Cause I did. I can't stop touching it. Look at that. Girl, stop. All right, let's spray. Let's spray and apply the body wave. So, you know, give it a little more I love this. Like, if you don't really know how to curl and you just want to give it that using this waver iron is the best way to do that, you know. And it's so easy. All you got to do is spray with some holding spray to make sure those curls hold, and then you just clamp and move, and then bam, look at this, beautiful. The highlights are just on point. The curls just make the highlights pop. Look, let me give you a closer look. Look at this. Beautiful. Now you go ahead and define that parting with some concealer, and then bam, you're done. This right here with the curler took me maybe 45 minutes, maybe. Check out the link in my description box below for the link to this gorgeous wig and more. Everything I use right here, I'll link them right in the description box just for you. Now, if you enjoyed vibing with me, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more. If you made it this far, thank you for vibing with me, Queen. I'll see you in the next one, girl.